If you are a beginner in CSS and you want to learn how to style your text in CSS, this is the right video for you. I'll be making subsequent videos on CSS for beginners, and I'll be making videos on setting colors, layout design, and responsive design. But for today, I will be teaching you how to style text, everything you need to know about styling text as a beginner. If this is the kind of content you like, please like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Now, as you can see from here, we have two texts on our screen, which says welcome, and the second one is a dummy text. Here in our code, I am using Next.js, and we have h1 tag and the p tag. I want to show you how you can center this h1 tag with CSS. Let's go to our global.css. Our global.css is connected to every page in our folder, which means that every single style we are making here, as long as we have the name of the element we are trying to style, the style will be applied there. So let's select our h1 tag and then say text align. In CSS, we have a property called text align. Text align is responsible for the position or the alignment of a text. It has so many values that you can choose from. It has the center, the end, justify, left, right, start, and other stuffs. But mainly, you'll be using three, which is the center, the left, and the right. But some cases you can use the calculate and other stuffs, right? But these are the three most basic ones you're gonna be using on a regular basis. Now let's say the center, because we obviously want to center our h1 tag, and as you can see, our h1 tag is already at the center. Now let's change the color. We have a property that says color. Color allows us to change the color of our text. You can choose this color here, or we can change it to red. I love red, so just let me use red. So let's change it to red. As you can see, our text has the red color. And we can also increase how bold this our h1 tag is by using a CSS property called font weight. Font weight is responsible for how your text looks, how thin or bold it looks. All right. Now we have several options. You can choose from this, or you can make use of the words. Let's select the bold. All right. As you can see, it's now much bolder. We can actually decide how bold it is by using digits. Maybe you could go for 500. It is bold, but not as bold as the other one. You can actually increase it to 700 so that it can be bold. It can be very, very bold. So you can actually increase this thing to the level you want until you are satisfied. Let's go to the next stuff, which is text transform. Text transform allows us to decide how we want our text to be, whether we want them to be in uppercase or in lowercase. For instance, let's set our stuff to a lowercase. So text transform, let's say lowercase. As you can see, it has changed our first letter, which was a capital letter, to a small letter, making sure that every single stuff here is in lowercase. Let's also check the next CSS property, which is text decoration. Text decoration allows us to actually style our text. You can actually if you want a line to go through our text, let's select this line through. As you can see, a line is going there. Like, you can select so many stuffs here. You can select so many stuff here. You can select dashed. You can select underline. You can select underline. So many stuff. And then we can also, let's look at another CSS property, which is font family. Font family allows us to add more styling and make our text to look more appealing. Here we have several default options that we can choose from. Let's select this one. Let's see what happens. As you can see, our text is now looking a little bit much better than it was before. But if you want to go extreme and take this thing further by using external fonts, we can make use of Google Fonts. Google Font is a free resource that you can use to change how your text looks. I love this styling. Let's select it. Okay. If you go to Google Fonts, you're going to see lots of fonts, and then you're going to select them. So I selected this Rubik. Let's try to get it. Let's delete this. Don't like this. Okay. Let's try to get it, and let's go to the get embed code. Let's import it, copy our stuff, and then go to our layout. Let's go to our layout here and paste it on top of above our body, and then copy this, the name of our font family, and then just try to paste it. So let's paste it and see how our text looks. This happening. Okay, that's not the complete name. The name of this font is Rubik Red Paint. Okay. Okay, exactly. So make sure that you are getting the right name, right? Select all the names, please. Don't make this mistake. As you can see, our text has this look now that we are seeing here, and it's amazing. These are the basic stuff you can do with CSS on your styles. On your text, and you can style it. You can actually go further by making research for all that advanced stuff that you can do with your text. But these are the basic things you need to do with your text as a beginner in tech. If you like this kind of video and you want to be getting such kind of content, please like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and watch out for next videos I will be dropping, because I'll be dropping videos on setting colors, layout design, and responsive design. Thank you.